Hi, I'm Kevin Dorma. Welcome to my whiteboard. This series will look at common problems in process control and effective solutions. The emphasis will be on the understanding of process behavior and how this leads to robust control strategies. We will begin by examining what a control problem looks like. Consider a typical trend of an important process variable. In this case, it is the inlet temperature to a sensitive reactor. There is a maximum temperature that cannot be crossed for product quality reasons. Control problems often follow a change in production rates as an excursion past the allowed value. There may be sustained oscillations where the controller never holds the PV on set point. This shows up as frequent alarms. The clearest indicator of a control problem is frequent intervention by the operating team. If the board operator frequently puts the controller in manual, this says that the board operator can do a much better job of managing the system than the existing controller. Addressing control problems usually does not require spending a lot of money. It does require a bit of time to understand how the process behaves and how to design a suitable control system. The objective is to do the best we can with what we have. If this does not solve the problem, then we are justified to spend some real money and change the process. This series will look at a few concepts in process behavior and control. In Part 2, we will compare two different strategies for tuning PID controllers. Part 3 will look at process gain and apply this to heat exchanger temperature control. This will be our example of a stable process. Part 4 will use level control as an example of an unstable process. In Part 5, we will apply these concepts to explore why pressure control can behave in a stable or unstable manner and how to address this. Finally, in Part 6, we will look at cascade control to see how a change in production rates can cause poor performance in a PID controller. Next is Part 2, Tuning Strategies. I'm Kevin Dorma. Please visit my website at www.kevindorma.ca. Take care.